If you are a person who have the habit of drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach, then this video should be for you. Of course, tea is rich in antioxidants and coffee reducing various risk of cancers, diabetes to Alzheimer's. But it is not at all good for your health when you take it on empty stomach. Why? Because let us know. Actually, tea contains high amount of tannin that prevents the absorption of iron in the body, and that may leads to anemia, and also tannin causes the discoloration of your teeth. Tea contains high amount of caffeine which increases your blood pressure. When you eat or drink something on an empty stomach, your digestive system digests it quickly because early in the morning your body needs energy. It will start from the last night. In this digestion process, the digestive juices secreted by the digestive system and the tea or coffee that you take in the early morning, those were mixed and will form a new juice that has the extremely low pH value. So first in the morning your body absorbs nutrients from the low pH juice, which is formed by the mixing of digestive juices and hot tea or coffee. This leads to decrease the pH value of the blood. When you do this every day for a long time, it leads to decrease the or lower the pH value of the blood permanently. This may lead to acidosis, and this may cause gallbladder stones, migraines, etc. This will also affect your stomach's inner lining. This may create ulcers in the stomach, and these ulcers will be the host for bacteria like Helicobacter, etc. Empty stomach acid-basic balance will be disrupted, and that will cause gastric problems and indigestion and heartburn. Actually, tea is diuretic. It contains theophylline, and the theophylline has a dehydrating effect, and it might cause constipation. Especially it is on an empty stomach. And also dehydration can cause muscle cramps and also interfere with regular body functions. When you start your day with a cup of coffee, the acid released in digestive system acts as a violation of the food in our stomach, and it would lead to a difficult digestion of proteins. If your body cannot fully decompose the proteins, that may lead to inflammation of the bowel, bloating, and even cause of cancer of the colon. Apart from this, actually for maximum people, tea and coffee are inseparable part of their diet. If you are that type of person, at least try to avoid tea or coffee on an empty stomach and consume it after having lunch or breakfast or any cooked food. And also try to avoid tea or coffee after sunset because it will disturb your sleep cycle. If you want to replace your tea with the healthy natural tea, then you have one option. That is, our nature gives us healthy and natural teas. Those are Arjun tea and basil tea, which are very good for your health and has no side effects. If you are a person having the habit of drinking coffee, then you can replace your coffee with decaffeinated coffee. Try to consume nature's gifts and stay healthy, stay happy. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.